Hi, my name is Morgan Silva, and I'm a hair and makeup artist, and I'm here with Aderans Hair Goods, home of René of Paris, Noriko, and Amore. And today I'm going to show you how to achieve a mermaid look. We're going to start off with the eyes. Prep the eyes with a concealer. I'm going to start off with the lighter pink. And I'm putting that all over the crease. And you're just building it according to your liking. And I'm going to go in there with the darker. I'm gonna go in with the darker purple. It's called a halo, so the front of the eye and the edge. Then I'm gonna go back in there with a lighter shade of purple, connected. I'm gonna go in there with this teal color, and I'm gonna add that in the center. We do want it to be vibrant, so we're gonna go ahead and spray it with our setting spray. I'm gonna go in there with this blue right here, just to kind of blend the edges. We're just gonna keep the brows soft. And applying foundation all over the skin. Adding concealer. So we're gonna go ahead and do some scales on the face. You could use your wig cap, or you could use a fishnet, cut it in small pieces. Just whatever's easiest for you. All I'm gonna use is a regular brush, a regular makeup blending brush. Bobby pin my fishnet into her wig cap. It's just easier, or you can hold it yourself, whichever is easiest for you. Just like that. And start off with the blue. You're just pushing the product in. Add some purples. Now using the same technique and just putting it around the face. Now I'm gonna add some shimmers, these two. Add this shimmery purple. Add a soft aqua glitter. When in doubt, glitter it out. Now I'm gonna go in there with a pink. But just make sure you don't apply it on top of the scales because you don't want it to take away the same blue I started with. Add some rhinestones. Any type of stones, pearls. I'm gonna add more color according to your outfits. Just kind of make it your own. So we're gonna go ahead and go in and add some green based on what you're wearing if you want to incorporate that. The beautiful thing about having a colorful palette is it gives you a wide variety to kind of play with. And I'm gonna put it under her waterline. Now I'm just gonna bedazzle the bottom of the eyes. Actually gonna add a little bit of glitter. Just keep having fun with it till you reach the look you're going for. Now that we're done bedazzling, we're gonna go ahead and add lashes. We are gonna use pink, full, dramatic lashes. Add a blush, add some highlight. Now all I'm gonna do is add some mascara. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the face with this metallic blue gloss. To finish our look, we are going to use Angelica Seaglass Rooted from Noriko. Totally mermaid vibes. So this is the final look, straight out of the box. I mean, look at how amazing this looks. It flows, the volume, the color. I just definitely think that this nailed it.